Big things are happening right now in Iran, and people everywhere from India to the US are talking about it. But what's going on and why does it matter to you? Let's break it down in simple words. See, what is happening in Iran is, let's imagine that your school suddenly increased the price of lunch, pencils, and books, but you didn't get more money. You would be upset, right? Now, that's what many people in Iran are actually feeling. See, prices for the food, for the medicines, for the everyday life have gone way up, and life is getting much harder there. So lots of people started protesting in big crowds across the country saying that this is not fair, and the government didn't like it. They stopped the internet in many places and used force to quiet the protests. That made even more people upset. Now, who all are involved in this? There are three main groups. Firstly, the people, the regular citizens tired of the rising prices and hard life. Secondly, the government, who is trying to control things and stop the protests. The third one is the world. Leaders from the other countries like the US and Europe are watching closely because Iran is an important country for the world politics and oil. Why the world is so much worried? You might think, why should this matter to someone in India or America? So here's the thing you need to know. See, Iran produces a lot of oil, the stuff that actually helps run cars, factories, airplanes, and more. Now, if Iran becomes unstable, oil prices can go up, and that affects everything from the petrol price at the pump to the cost of the things we buy. So when news spreads that a country with oil is in trouble, markets get nervous, meaning people who invest money become unsure about what might happen next. So how it can impact the global markets? Let's understand that now. Markets are like a big money game where people buy and sell parts of companies and materials like oil and gold. Right now, the situation is that stock markets may wobble, go up and down quickly because investors are really scared. See, oil prices may rise because of fear about the supply problems, and safe things like gold often go up because investors move money there when they are actually very scared. So something happening in Iran can create a ripple effect, like dropping a stone in the pond that reaches markets all over the world. So let's take a quick recap. So far, what we learned. See, people in Iran are protesting because life is hard there. The government is cracking down. The world is watching because it could affect the oil and money markets. Now, this could also change the prices and investments everywhere. Here is the big question. Can these protests actually change what happens to the world's oil prices next week, next month, or maybe next year? So in the next video, we'll break that down for you with simple examples and what smart investors are watching right now. Don't miss it.